seasonal solo parent and hardworking mom. Today's episode may ruffle some fathers, but it needs to be said. The title is bold for a reason. The Filipino backstabbers are doing what they do best. I am not here to bash all Filipinas. Let's be clear about that. There are kind, loyal, amazing women in the Philippines. But if you've been in the expat or foreigner dating sense long enough, you will eventually encounter the darker side: jealousy, gossip, betrayal, and backstabbing. It's part of the culture of competition, especially when it comes to romance, money, and survival. And too many foreigners walk into this trap completely blind. In the Philippines, gossip isn't just casual, it's practically a pastime. Whether it's chismes at the sari-sari store or whispers among friends and family, Filipinas often use gossip as a weapon. That's how backstabbing begins. She might smile in your face, tell you she supports your relationship, or claims she's just a friend. But the moment you leave, she's telling others your secrets, mocking your choices, or trying to poison your relationship. Because gossip is social currency. By making you look bad, she elevates herself in her social circle. Foreigners often underestimate this, thinking it's harmless too. But in reality, gossip destroys reputations, sabotage friendships, and creates endless drama. Backstabbing becomes even sharper when romance and money enter the picture. A Filipina who feels threatened, whether it's by another woman, another foreigner, or even her own so called friends, will use betrayal as a tactic. I have seen it play out countless times. Your girlfriend's best friend secretly messages you, warning you not to trust her. A cousin tells you lies about your partner to break you up. An ex spreads rumors in barangay just to ruin her chances of being with you. At the root of it, this isn't just about love, it's about resources. For many Filipinas, securing a stable foreigner partner can mean a massive upgrade in lifestyle. That competition breeds jealousy, envy, and ultimately betrayal. Now add social media to the mix, and the backstabbing gas digital. TikTok, Facebook, Messenger. These platforms are breeding grounds for drama. Screenshots of your private conversations get shared. Anonymous posts get made about you. Fake accounts are created just to stir up conflict. Filipinas who feel ignored, rejected, or insecure won't always confront you directly. They'll backstab you online, where they can rally an audience against you. For foreigners, this is devastating. You go from being admired to being the subject of online gossip in a matter of hours. When it's online, good luck taking it back. So why do Filipina backstabbers act this way? There are three main reasons. Number one, jealousy. Someone else's happiness, success, or relationship feels like a treat. Number two, power. Destroying someone else puts them in control, even if it's temporary. Number three, survival in a society where opportunities are limited. Tearing others down becomes a way to climb up. It's not just personal, it's cultural conditioning. If you're not prepared for this, you will take it personally, when in reality it's a survival mechanism. So, how do you deal with the Filipina backstabbers? Don't overshare. Keep your personal and financial details private. The less ammo you give, the less they can use against you. Avoid the gossip chains. Don't feed into it. Don't listen to it. And don't repeat it. Test loyalty. Watch how she treats others. If she backstabs her friends, she'll backstab you eventually. Best selective. Surround yourself with people who act left, not people who sabotage. At the end of the day, backstabbers will always do what they do best. But if you recognize the patterns early, you can protect your peace, your reputation, and your relationship. Yes, the Filipino backstabbers are out there, alive and well, doing what they do best. But with awareness, you don't have to be their next victim. Respect the culture, understand the patterns, and guard yourself against the traps. Because in the Philippines, loyalty is rare, but once you find it, it is worth its weight in gold. Thank you for subscribing, watching, and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.